Want to build a faceless YouTube channel without showing your face? Good news. You do not need a huge budget, a Hollywood crew, or a fancy studio. But you do need one important thing. You need to know how to direct your AI production team. Today, AI tools can help with research, scripts, voiceovers, avatars, B-roll, captions, thumbnails, and even repurposing your content. But here is the key. AI is not the boss. You are the director. So in this video, let's talk about new AI features that can help faceless YouTube channels create better content faster. Faceless YouTube is changing fast. In the past, some faceless videos used random stock footage, flat robotic voices, and copy and paste AI scripts. And yes, that kind of video may still exist, but it is becoming harder to stand out with lazy content. Viewers are smarter now. They can feel when a video is generic, rushed, or made with no real effort. The new direction is different. Instead of lazy automation, creators are building AI-assisted studios. That means using AI for speed, but still adding human editing, personality, branding, and storytelling. So the goal is not to make more low-quality videos. The goal is to make better videos with a smarter workflow. Here is the simple formula. AI speed plus human taste equals winning content. AI can help you move faster. It can help you research ideas, create outlines, generate voiceovers, make visuals, add captions, and repurpose your videos. But human taste is what makes the content worth watching. Your creativity matters, your editing matters, your brand matters, your final quality check matters. So do not think of AI as a replacement for you. Think of AI as your production assistant. You still decide what stays, what gets removed, and what feels right for your audience. Before you create videos, you need to know what kind of channel you want to build. This is where AI can help with niche research. Faceless channels can work in many areas, such as AI tools, tech news, finance explainers, history storytelling, motivational videos, Reddit stories, horror storytelling, educational animations, book summaries, business case studies, and digital marketing tutorials. But here is my beginner tip. Do not choose a niche only because it sounds profitable. Choose a niche you can keep learning and talking about. Because consistency matters. If you get bored after 3 videos, it will be hard to continue. For example, if you love AI tools, you can create tutorials, comparisons, beginner guides, and tool updates. That gives you many video ideas without jumping all over the place. Now let's go into the writer's room. This is where your video starts. AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, Gemini, Notebook LM, vidIQ, and TubeBuddy can help you research topics, organize your ideas, and create a simple outline. But here is the important part. Do not just copy and paste an AI script. Use AI for the first draft, then rewrite it in your own voice. A strong, faceless video still needs structure. Start with a hook, then explain the problem. Then tell viewers why it matters. After that, share the main points, examples, beginner tips, mistakes to avoid, and a final takeaway. This makes the video easier to follow. And when your script is clear, your audience is more likely to keep watching. For faceless channels, your voiceover is one of the most important parts of the video. Your voice is almost like the personality of your channel. If the voice sounds flat or robotic, people may click away. But if the voice sounds clear, warm, and natural, the video feels more professional. This is where tools like 11 Labs, Play.ht, Descript, Murph AI, and Well Said Labs can help. You can create text-to-speech voiceovers, design a custom voice, or clone your own voice if your plan allows it. But a quick reminder, only clone your own voice, or use a voice you clearly have the rights and permission to use. And if you use a platform like 11 Labs, always follow their voice cloning rules. You can also use AI avatars as character hosts. Faceless does not mean personality-free. An avatar can help with intros, outros, thumbnails, tutorials, or a branded channel mascot. Now let's talk about the camera crew. Faceless videos need good visuals because you are not always on camera. Before, many creators used the same stock footage over and over again. But now, AI video tools can help create custom B-roll from prompts. Tools like Runway, Kling AI, Pika, Luma, Google Flow with VO, Higgsfield AI, and InVideo AI can help you create short video scenes, cinematic shots, product-style visuals, animations, and backgrounds. For example, you can type, "Create a cozy creator desk with soft daylight, a laptop, notes, coffee, and floating AI icons on the screen. Then AI can help create a visual that fits your video better than random stock footage. This makes your content feel more original and more connected to your brand. Next, we go to the editing bay. Captions are very important, especially for mobile viewers. Many people watch videos while scrolling. Some watch with the sound low, or even with the sound off. So captions can help people follow your video more easily. AI editing tools like CapCut, Descript, Veed, Submagic, Subtitle, and Opus Clip can help create captions, highlight keywords, add zoom cuts, and make short-form content faster. But always check the captions before posting. AI can misspell brand names, tool names, technical words, and words with accents. So yes, AI captions can save time, but your final quality check is still needed. Now let's talk about the thumbnail. Your thumbnail is like the movie poster for your video. It helps people decide whether they want to click or keep scrolling. AI tools like Canva, Adobe Firefly, Midjourney, Leonardo AI, and ChatGPT image tools can help you create thumbnail ideas faster. A good thumbnail should be easy to understand in 1 second. It should not be too crowded. Use bold text, clear visuals, emotional expressions, tool logos, big icons, or simple before and after images. For faceless channels, you can use an avatar or character instead of your real face. But always make sure the thumbnail is honest and matches the video. A pretty thumbnail is not enough. It needs to clearly tell viewers why they should click. One of the best parts of AI is content repurposing. You can start with one main YouTube video. Then, that same video can become YouTube Shorts, TikTok videos, Instagram Reels, Pinterest pins, blog posts, email content, and social media captions. This is what I call the content multiplier effect. Tools like Opus Clip, CapCut, Submagic, and InVideo AI can help turn longer videos into shorter clips. But each platform needs a slightly different style. YouTube Shorts need a fast hook. TikTok needs a more casual opening. Instagram Reels may need a clean and polished look. Pinterest needs a clear visual title. So do not just post the exact same version everywhere without checking it. Use AI to save time, but adjust the content for each platform. Now let's look at the full AI workflow. Here is a simple 11-step process for creating faceless videos. First, research your topic. Second, choose one clear viewer problem. Third, create a simple outline. Fourth, write the script with AI help. Fifth, edit the script in your own voice. Sixth, generate a natural AI voiceover. Seventh, create custom AI B-roll. Eighth, add captions and effects. Ninth, create a clear thumbnail. 10th, publish to YouTube. And 11th, repurpose the video into shorts, reels, TikToks, and Pinterest pins. This workflow helps you stay organized. Instead of using random AI tools with no plan, you are building a simple production system. Even with all these AI tools, the human filter is still the most important part. This is where you matter most. For scripting, you need to adjust the tone, add your own examples, and make sure the video is useful. For visuals, you need to check if the B-roll actually matches the topic. For editing, you need to make sure the pacing is not too slow. For captions, you need to check if the words are correct. For packaging, you need to make sure the thumbnail is clear, honest, and not too crowded. AI does not always know what your audience needs, but you do. That is why human editing still matters. Now let's talk about mistakes to avoid. Do not use robotic, emotionless voices if they make your video hard to listen to. Do not rely on random stock footage that does not match your message. Do not publish raw AI scripts without editing. Do not design chaotic thumbnails with too much text. Do not focus only on quantity and forget viewer value. Do not post AI-generated shorts blindly without checking them first. Do not use voice cloning without permission. And do not ignore storytelling and branding. Faceless YouTube is not about hiding behind AI. It is about using AI to create helpful, interesting, and clear content. Also, if you create realistic AI content that could make viewers think something real happened, check YouTube's altered content disclosure rules before publishing. So here's the final picture. At the base, AI tools provide speed. They can generate research, voices, visuals, captions, and ideas faster than ever. In the middle, your workflow provides structure. This helps you move from random tasks to a clear content system. But at the top, the human director provides taste. That means your ideas, your judgment, your brand, and your final quality control make the content feel real. This is the part AI cannot fully replace. AI can create the pieces, but you are the one who turns those pieces into a video worth watching. So here is the final takeaway. Faceless YouTube is not dead. Lazy content is. The future belongs to creators who build better systems, tell better stories, and use technology without losing their humanity. AI can help you create faster, but you are still the director. You choose the idea, you guide the voice, you check the visuals, you polish the final video, and you decide what is good enough to publish. If this video helped you, please like this video, subscribe to Yaya Creator Hub, and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.